This tutorial teaches only a small portion of this dance. This is not a tutorial for the full dance.
Start with your feet apart, your knees slightly bent, and your hands on your thighs. Lean forward and pop your chest twice as you look to the right and extend your right arm straight out to the right with your fingers curled into a fist. Lift your left foot up as you stand up straight, look at the camera, and bend your left elbow to bring your hand near your shoulder while bending your right elbow so that your arm is down. Then bring your left foot down next to your right foot as you switch the positions of your arms. Switch the positions of your arms as you bring your right knee up, then switch the positions of your arms again as you bring your right foot back down. Step over to the left with your left foot and repeat the first count of this section in the opposite direction. Stand up and look at the camera as you bring your right foot up and move your left arm up and your right arm down again. Bring your right foot down next to your left foot and switch the positions of your arms, then switch the positions of your arms again as you bring your left knee up. Switch the positions of your arms once more as you bring your left foot back down. Fold your right arm over your left arm out in front of your chest as you turn your knees in. Turn your knees out, then quickly turn them in, out, and in again. Extend your left arm out toward the camera as you step back on your right foot so that you are turned to the right, and spin your right arm in 2.5 clockwise circles before stepping in place with your left foot. Step in place again on your left foot as you turn to face the camera and lower your arms. Bend your elbows to bring your hands out to either side as you bring your right foot up behind you, then bring your right foot down next to your left foot as you bring your hands into your chest. Bring your right foot up as you turn slightly to the left and extend your left arm down while bringing your right fist up near your right shoulder. Then switch the positions of your arms as you bring your right foot down back to the right. Bend your knees as you switch the positions of your arms, then straighten your legs as you switch the positions of your arms again. Bend your knees and switch the positions of your arms again, then straighten your legs and switch the positions of your arms again, but uncurl the fingers of your right hand so that your palm is facing out. Now extend your left arm in this same manner and uncurl your fingers before bending your knees and both elbows to bring your fists near your chest. Turn to the right and repeat these movements. Turning to face the camera, slide your right foot back as you look down and extend both arms straight out to either side, palms facing down. Look up at the camera as you bring your right foot up behind you and bring both hands into your chest so that your elbows are pointing out to either side. Tilt your head to the left as you angle your right elbow up and your left elbow down, then bring your right elbow forward and down as you bring your right foot back down before stepping out a bit with your left foot. Take 3 steps, starting on the right foot, as you turn to the right until you are facing the camera again. Punch straight up with your right fist.